in the supplementary list. Yes.
Well, 66, my lord, I am for the petition.
I have a private restaurant, my lord.
Well, I have served, my lord.
Yes.
Last occasion, private restaurant is appear, not appear, my lord. Illegal
Now I am appealing, my lord.
and unauthorized construction, my lord. Can I kindly see page 39. Over the boundary wall of the petitioner, they have illegally
Let's take
constructed.
down.
My lord,
Where is your objection?
Objection on page 34.
Yes, what do you have to say?
my lord, there is something to say, my lord. Petitioner suppressed many material fact, my lord. Has not
Yes.
come with clean hand.
Like,
My lord, regarding the same cause of action, petitioner already has approached before this honorable court. And before this honorable court, my lord, decided on merit and asked the petitioner to go before the appropriate civil court to ventilate his grievances that has been suppressed. The same petitioner regarding same cause of action, private dispute. Kindly see, my lord, I am reading my lord's order, my lord. The affidavit service.
1 minute, I have read it.
My lord, kindly see, my lord's police report in that writ petition. It is a civil dispute between the parties, my lord. Already decided on merit.
No, not on merit. The question of encroachment was decided. But
Yes,
what
my
about
lord.
construction
Now, my
without
lord,
leaving the sufficient distance?
may I submit one thing, my lord?
Yes.
My
Kindly,
case,
my lord, take the prior D of the earlier writ petition and prior of this writ petition, prior A. Kindly take, my lord, the earlier writ petition, prior D. My lord, sorry, my lord, there is some marking is there, my lord. And kindly tally with the, my lord, page 9, para, serial number A, my lord, prior. He is asking for demolition of the illegal construction.
So that is on the power is with the panchayat.
Yes, my lord. That's why, my lord, petitioner has already directed them to approach before the appropriate civil court.
That is with regard to the allegation of encroachment. What about the allegation of construction without a plan or in violation of the building rules? Here, my order is very clear that allegation of encroachment by the list one number 12 and has been made. The praise for implementation of order of the subdivisional magistrate.
Yes.
Then that is not the order.
And it's a private dispute, my lord. He alleges that.
Show me that you have a sanction.
My lord.
Show me you have a
No,
sanction.
it is a boundary wall, construction of boundary wall, my lord.
page 39.
Now, construction
Illegal-
of boundary wall, my lord.
Illegal staircase has already been made. Page
No,
30.
but here it is whether this doesn't look like a wall. It looks like a staircase.
Staircase.
And
This-
my submission is also verifying the report of the police, my lord, in earlier writ petition. And my lord, one thing, my lord, kindly see the objection has been made by.
Earlier writ petition, my order shows that he has made an allegation of encroachment and he wanted implementation of the order of the subdivisional magistrate. I said encroachment will be decided by the civil court and this court shall not. Police report shows that
the from which it appears the respondent number 11,
they have
12,
constructed a boundary
boundary wall.
exclusive within the property of the said respondent.
Yes, my lord. So
Yes.
construction
So
has been made within
civil
my.
part, that is fine. But what about leaving the minimum space between the two constructions? That is an issue which can be decided by the panchayat, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. But my lord, one thing, my lord, to submit, my lord, kindly take, my lord, page 34. The allegation, the representation has been made by another person, my lord, who is not the. petitioner, my
He's son of the petitioner. Son.
My submission is there that the dispute has already been decided, my lord.
Raju Thapa is son
Two
of the
things are there. Where is your allegation? Show me.
petitioner.
Allegation at page 34, my lord.
First page 34.
আমার বাড়ি দক্ষিণ দিকে 1 2 4 5 fifth line. আমার বাড়ির দক্ষিণ পার্শ্বে অবস্থিত প্রতিবেশী কমল মজুমদার, দ্যাট ইজ মাই ক্লায়েন্ট, মাই লর্ড, তার বাড়ি নির্মাণ ও বাড়ির বহির্পার্শ্বে দিয়া সিঁড়ি পাঁচিল দিয়া সীমানা নির্ধারণ আমার জমির মধ্যে দিয়ে গেছে। That means a dispute regarding the construction of boundary wall.
Shiri is not the boundary wall.
There is an allegation, my lord, which has already been
Main
decided regarding the
complaint
boundary wall.
is mala staircase, mala pakka staircase.
Kindly consider this, my lord.
All right, take down.
Page 39.
On an earlier occasion, the petitioner had approached this court by filing WPA number 7745 of 2022. The said writ petition was disposed of with the following by this court. Stop. The following order was passed. Today, the writ petition has been filed alleging that the respondent number seven had constructed a staircase along with a boundary wall without leaving adequate side space and without, contrary to the building rule, which was contrary to the building rules, setback space and side space, which were contrary to the building rules, and also without obtaining permission from the Gram Panchayat. Next paragraph. The contention of learned advocate for the respondent number 7 is accepted to the extent that the question of the boundary wall having encroached the petitioner's land shall not be decided in this proceeding. This court had already directed that such allegation shall be raised before a civil such dispute shall be raised before a civil court. The court also took note of the fact that the police authorities found that the construction was within the area owned and possessed by the respondent number 7. However, the police authorities do not have a final say with regard to the declaration of right, title, and interest, and the petitioner ought to have filed a civil suit in this regard. However, the allegation that a staircase on the boundary wall of the petitioner without any permission had been raised, contrary to the building rules, has not yet been adjudicated by any authority. The petitioner is at liberty to approach the concerned Gram Panchayat in accordance with law. If such objection is filed, the same shall be disposed of by following the procedure stated herein below. Whether any staircase had been constructed over and above the boundary wall of the petitioner without any permission and without leaving the minimum space as per the rules. The issue of the allegation of encroachment shall not be gone into. Yes, disposed of. Court has not gone into the merits of the claims and counterclaims of the parties.
Well, this is the copy of earlier writ petition. May I take?
Okay, ফেরত দিয়ে দাও।
Give me a time with it.
It is there, সব 23/5 এই হবে। পুরোটাই। খালি the issues to be decided will be ওইটুকুনি. Whether any alleged staircase has been constructed over the boundary wall of the petitioner without leaving adequate side space and without any permission.
After giving opportunity to me, my lord.
ওখান থেকে আমি যেখানটা এভরিথিং ইজ দেয়ার। ওই অর্ডারটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিলে আমার আগের অর্ডারটা ফাইলটা একটু দাও। পুরোটাই করে দাও, মেইনটেইন পিস। This must be in a what? Police in action. This order must be in a police in action matter. This was evidently not in a
holding the prayer petition have approached with similar prayer. Kindly see, my lord, our prayer of the petition.
ওখানে লিখে দাও the petitioner that aforementioned ওই writ petitionটা ডিসপোজ অফ করেছিল। নেক্সট তার সব পরে একটা লাইন অ্যাড করো। Such order was passed in a writ petition filed by the petitioner alleging inaction of the police authorities in implementing the order of the learned SDJ, subdivisional executive magistrate. Yes, the court was of the opinion that the issue of encroachment and based on the findings of the officer in charge of the concerned police station should be decided by the civil court. Yes.
What are the prayer of the earlier petition? Kindly, if my
maybe they can ask for the prayers.
দিলাম তো একান্ত পাল লিখে দিচ্ছি দেইনি আছে?
Paying for 1 week accommodation, my lord.
Not
Sir.
this week.